Alright, now we're going to talk about how chiropractic care can amplify and heal you while you're doing this challenge. And the first reason is that chiropractic care really focuses on the muscles, the ligaments, the bones, and we're able to get you out of pain and get you up to the most efficient level of exercise that you can be. And this is all important when you're starting exercise, while you're going through an exercise regimen, and then ultimately at the end to keep you out of pain and keep you going towards your exercise goal. Secondly, chiropractic care works on the nervous system, which is in control of your total body, and with your spine in proper alignment, your nervous system works as it should, and this does an array of things. It speeds up your metabolism, it gives you more energy, as well as gets you good proper sleep that you will need. So ultimately, chiropractic care works hand in hand in this challenge to get you feeling the best possible version of yourself.
Hey, what's up guys, how you doing? This is Andrew again, your personal coach and trainer for the challenge, and thank you Dr. Bryant, Dr. Lucas for passing the torch to me to explain a little bit more in detail about the meal plan, right? The meal plan is a one-page document that we actually have uploaded to Dropbox, which you'll be able to download, and also I believe if you click on some emails that we'll send you as well, reminders to download the items for your challenge, they will be included in there as well. So you know, your resources will be on your way and on the way, and we most certainly want to make sure that you're going to be successful with this challenge, which means that you're going to take your time with the meal plan, right? So how it's laid out, you'll notice is the first column is going to be breakfast, right? Week 1 to 4. The middle column is going to be lunch and dinner, because they're very similar. Lunch and dinner are very similar. Besides the amount of protein that you eat is going to be a little bit more. It's going to be really double the amount in ounces than lunch. But same types of veggies and allowable lettuce and raw vegetables. And obviously your right-hand column, last but not least, is going to be your snacks. Some of the things that we want you to eat instead of some of the things that we may want to eat, right, on our own if we're not a part of the challenge, right? So we gave you some ideas. We gave you an extra recipe for some smoothies that are going to be incorporated into your breakfast meals. And we definitely want to give you some free reign when it comes to breakfast, because you know, it starts your day, and you want to, you know, feel satisfied, I guess, going into the day in terms of nutrition, which means that you can bounce back and forth between the week 1, week 2, week 3, week 4 meals. You know, just make sure that you're within 200 calories for females and 300 calories for males. And then your total calories for the day is going to be 1,200 for females, roughly, and 2,000 for males, roughly. Now again, the challengers, the key to your initial weigh-in is to show up, and the benefit to actually going to the weigh-ins is you're going to get all the resources as well, on top of what we've emailed you, and extra tips, advice, and just a chance to meet Dr. Bryant, Dr. Lucas, Gina, and the whole team, so that you feel supported, you feel motivated and excited to start the challenge and be successful through these 4 weeks. That's why we're harping on it a lot. I personally, being a fitness coach and helping hundreds of people, not thousands, not yet, but hundreds of people lose weight, get into shape, get healthy for the long run. Being face-to-face in a supportive environment and community-like environment where we all have the same goals is so key to just overall success in anything that we do. If we have moral support, social support, friendship, community, we're all driving towards the same thing. And I can tell you, like I said before, this challenge is very unique in the fact that you have so many health coaches helping you along the way. So why not take advantage of it, right? So we're also going to be sending you a lot of daily motivational emails and things like that. So be on the lookout for all those, because that's going to keep you on track as well, right? And have some fun. That's the biggest thing. So I'll pass you back off to Dr. Bryant, Dr. Lucas. Thank you guys so much again.
And we want you to succeed. You know, we are excited for you. We want you to get the results that you need, and we're here for your support. You know, having a health professional on your side to guide you through this program is very beneficial, because we're going to hold you accountable. We're going to check in on you, and coming in and checking in as well is going to help you to stay motivated to get through, so that once you're done with the program, you can continue this healthy lifestyle and continue to be healthy the rest of your life and do those things that you enjoy to do. So again, we're here for you. We're here to support you and guide you through this whole program. And we'd like to thank you for downloading this 2-part video series. And just to recap for you, we started off talking about why people fail in their weight loss goals and what kind of things get in their way of them achieving these goals. We then talked about some of the small little steps that you can take on a daily basis to track this progress and be grateful for the small progress that you do make. We've also walked you through in detail the blueprint or the nutritional guide that you need in order to have success through this program. We've also walked you through the meal plan and showed you what specific things you can eat and what things are good to combine, and how you can make the right choices when you're eating on a day-to-day basis. And finally, we talked about some of the things that chiropractic can do for you. And so if you are ready to make this step, which you've gone this far, we know you're ready to do it, we ask you to please click on the button below. Now, 80% of people that start off on a weight loss program in the United States gain all the weight back within the first year. And that's a horrible statistic. We want you to be that 20% that maintains that health. And part of that is getting the support that you need. So as you click on that button below, you're going to be directed to a place where you can request a consult in the office with myself or Lucas, where we're going to walk you through. We're going to do the weigh-in. We're going to give you all the tips and tricks that you need so that you can be supported throughout this program. So please click on the button below, and Gina from my office will give you a call to set up that appointment right away so that we can get you on the path to a healthier 2018.